What's up, everybody? Panda Reviews here, and today we are reviewing the Galactus Phase 4 Lego set. And in case you're wondering what he's sitting on nothing. He's perfectly stable in this pose. It's a really cool Lego set to have if you can afford it, and it's well detailed. The only downside is that it's not well, the face is, but the rest of it isn't printed on. It's stickers. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this here set. It's really cool to see the Fantastic Four and Galactus in the same set. Anyway, I would give this Lego set a 9 out of 10. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.